a minute! Hold on!
Wait a minute, man.
Stop rushing!
Yo, what's poppin'? Your boy, Gifted Barber, aka GB. And today we got a special pack, a legendary pack, a GOAT pack. And in the words of 360Jeezy,
I just got something in the mail. Just got something in the mail. I just got something in the mail. Just got something in the mail. Doom, 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 doom. And when you get something in the mail, this is how you feel. I just got something. Y'all don't know that song?
so it's Christmas Eve. I've been waiting on this pack all week long. I've been patiently waiting. First things first, man, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy 360Jeezy, bro. Y'all know. Yes, sir, ski. What time it is, man? Y'all see, I had to double up on these boys. Bust one of these things open, man. I'm super excited. My boy Jeezy finally dropped the brush, man. I know it's like I got a legendary piece in my hand. I know it took a lot of, as y'all see on the box, hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. So y'all just gonna have to see it as we go on, you know what I'm saying? Cause this is my first time opening it. I do like how he got his signature on that box. Medium soft. It has his logo on there. V1, you know what I'm saying? Hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. And on the back, man, it tells you all about his story, all about his come up. Man, comes with, we got a certificate. So on the box, it says the will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. You go. If you guys know that's 360's phrase, how the brush comes inside. Oh my God. Magnet on the box. Let's get into this brush though. Sheesh. Bro. I know we all asking, how does the brush feel? What does it feel like? It is a medium soft, long bristles. You gotta, oh my gosh, this brush is fire. Do y'all see the details in the brush? I realize the edges do come up a little bit more. It's like it's almost like a hook. So you see the curve comes up towards the edge. It's more of a flat brush in the middle. Then it comes up. Look at the bristles on that bad boy. Sheesh. So I know everybody's asking, what does it feel like? It feels like a softie. It feels like a firm softie. Like it has great pull. I can't really explain it until I brush with it. Only right if we get a session in with it. But you can tell this brush isn't like any other brush. There's no brush on the market with these type of tips on it. You got it on both sides. It has long bristles. Oh man, so this brush would definitely be great for beehives if you want to tap the crown. It'll be great for swirls. As you got this point, you can actually get in the crown and swirl the crown. Man, this brush is fire, bro. Having it in your hand and just seeing it, man. And I also feel like being that Jeezy's a waver, he's an elite waver, he knows what you need in a brush. So when he drew this brush out, he took his time. Bro, I cannot wait to use this bad boy. Matter of fact, we about to use it right now, man. Let's get to a session, man. Let's get right. Shout out to the merch, you know what I'm saying? giftedmerch.com. And if y'all like this rag, man, the new rag dropping tomorrow on Christmas. This is my latest addition. This that winter blue joint. And if you're familiar with the black edition or the white edition, just know I had to make the all blue and gold edition in there. But man, let's see what we working with. Man, let's test out this bad boy. Ooh. Ooh, okay. So we got a nice pull. Feels good. It feels like a firm softie, just like they described it. It's a little bigger than your average brush, so I will be vertical brushing with this bad boy. But man, it's definitely fire. Definitely gonna be in my arsenal. If you guys seen, I had to pick up 2 of these brushes. We will be putting in work. As y'all see, I'm able to use the tip of the brush. This is definitely one of the main reasons why I bought this brush. Just so I can get a little more detail with my crown. It feels like a firm softie. It feels like I don't want to compare it to one of the regular brushes. This brush almost feels like it's in its own type of lane. Like, I don't know, this brush don't really feel like any of the brushes that I got. And you guys know I do have a lot of brushes, but this one just feels like, I don't know, this brush is crazy. Definitely a workhorse, you know what I'm saying? I go crazy on my brush sessions, so I probably put in the work about an hour or 2, maybe with this brush alone, being that it does have those special tips, so I'm able to do special crown work. I'm able to lay my hair down. It is definitely worth it, man. It's long for some. But man, this brush is fire so far, man. I really don't even want to stop brushing, to be honest. I love how I got those tips so you can isolate your crown. If you know Jeezy, you know how serious he takes his crown work. And this brush basically is dedicated to crowns. It's not your average brush because of one of these reasons. You're definitely able to manipulate your crown. Alright, so as you guys seen, the brush is fire. Man, this is definitely gonna be one of my top 5. It's gonna definitely be in my starting 5. More videos, or you wanna see more brush sessions, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. So I'm probably gonna be brushing with this brush for about a week or 2. I'm gonna try to break it in. We definitely gonna put some work in with this brush. And man, I just want to give a huge shout out to Jeezy, man. Congratulations. You a waiver, man. Make sure y'all pick up this brush. It's at 360Jeezy.com. It is sold out at the moment, but eventually he will be bringing this bad boy back. So make sure y'all stay tuned. So if you like this video, man, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to your boy, man. Make sure you drop a comment. So let me know what y'all think about the brush. And until next video, man, it's your boy, Jeezy.